Hey guys, you're gonna like this video coming up, but first I want you to like and subscribe our YouTube channel right here so you can stay up with us and catch all of our new videos coming out. So like and subscribe to our video channel right here, and also join our free Discord group at mycellphoneisanatm.com, and the link is below the video here, also in the description. Hey guys, just wanted to break down the trades from Friday that we did Friday, and let you know all these trades are here. Majority of them we did close out early because it was Friday end of day, and we don't like to hold trades over the weekend, guys, because of the swap fees and high spreads and stuff. But look, this is our live account. Look up here, Carbon Pro hedge account, Carbon Pro live account, guys. Dollar pip. Let's break down. We like the way our EA takes trades because it's based on entries, guys. Everything is based on getting a good entry, right? You don't want to get entries that are late. You want to get entries that are right off of some type of structure. And that's what our EA does, guys. It's based off of structure. So look, as you see, we're over $21. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and add this up, and we'll see, because we're charging what? We're charging $21 plus $20 plus 30 plus 23 plus 24 plus 14 plus 12 plus 13 plus 11. And I'm just rounding off here. As you see, guys, I was just rounding off. I didn't add the cents in there, but that's $169 right there. The 13th. As you look over here, the January 13th, right? 13th. We have $169. So close, almost. If I'd add all to the penny, that'd have been what? About $170 some dollars. But we're at $170, guys. We charge $100 a month for our EA. But let's go look at why the EA is so prosperous. Again, it's a live account, right? Let's go look at why it's so prosperous. Let's start off with AUD USD. We got a little bit of structure right here, right? Our entry is the blue arrow right here. This is our trade. This is our trade history. Entry is the blue arrow. The red is where we exited the trade at. Right? We got a little bit of structure right here. What's this called? It's called a break and retest, right? This is resistance right here. Prices failed to break. These 4-hour candles. 4-hour candles on this live account. 4-hour candles. Price failed to break. Came up here, broke, wick down, came back, sat on support right here, right? Fake through right here, but then it gave an entry. When it's got this big buy candle on this 4-hour candle, it gave us a good entry right here, right? So we know we're getting the entry off of support. So that's a good one right there. All right, let's go to the next one, GA. Let's go look at GA. GA on the 4-hour, same thing, guys. GA on the 4-hour. GA was a sell. The red right here is our sell. We had what? We got a good structure right here. All right, we got a good structure right here. Price is setting on support. Broke through, became resistance, right? All this became resistance. Little fake out, just the opposite of AU, right? A fake out right here, and it came back, right back down to and broke through. And it became resistance, right? This is the resistance. So it gave us an entry for a sale, and then we got out right here. Guys, it gives us good entries based off of support and resistance. Let's go look at EU. All right, EU right here. Same thing, guys. We got support right here. Well, it was resistance first, right? Then turn into support. We know we're in a big uptrend, right? Got an entry right here off of it and going up. And we took our money right here because, again, this is the end of the day. And look, and price is in an uptrend, right? We got price in an uptrend, right? Overall, you see it's going up right here. Okay, so the next one, ACAS. Let's go down here to ACAS. Let's see what we got over here. All right, here we go. Prices, we got in the buy off here. Look, break and retest, right? Let's go look out a little bit. Price is what? Price is going up in an uptrend right here, right? So let's go look at closer. This is resistance. Price failed to break. Takes 2 rejections. So we know it's good resistance for price broke. Then it became support right here. And then price is not yet formed another resistance right here. Price came back down to support, and right off of the support right here, it gave us our entry right here. It took our money right there, guys. The EA is, it's powerful. It comes right off the structure. Right? It looks for structure, and it takes the trade off of that. So what's the next one? This is ACAD. So the next one was GU. I didn't do them all, guys. You saw I didn't do them all. I went up to ECAD. Let's go look at GU. All right. Let's look at overall sentiments of GU. GU is overall what, guys? It's kind of consolidating, all this consolidation. But we can still trade it. Right? because it's found a structure right here. It found a structure. GU gave us for a buy right here at $1 a pip. Gave us for a buy. This is our resistance price. Failed to break. All these 4-hour candles failed to break. Right? Came in and price broke over here. Came and turned into support right here. Right? Put us in the trade right here. Took our money right there, guys. Took our money. Put us in the support. Took our money right here. Trade right off of support right here. And the last one I did, I marked up was ECAD. ECAD overall sentiment. So what? Matter of fact, we even got a good trend line right here, right? Prices just going on up, creating higher highs, higher lows, right? Going on up. But then we got what structure right here. Price put us in right here. So this is a very good trade. Why? Because we got a trend line and support. Price put us in right here. Went on up. Took our money. Guys, the EA, again, live account, $1 a pip. Just Friday, just on Friday, we made one set. We almost doubled, what the amount is for the membership. Membership is $100 a month. We close to $200, right? So guys, the EA is it's just crazy how it takes trades right based off of structure. That's what we're so excited about. So we hope you got your EA set up and ready to go for this week. And we're gonna make some money, guys.